How would you hostage Teacher May if you don't know what her address is? Paulo Cruzada, I just wanna expect it to you. You learn how to understand, what you're really doing is. You need to make a public apology to Teacher May. Make a public apology to that person is. Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. She doesn't do anything to you that she never threatened to hostage you. First of all, you add Teacher May Tiburcio in group chat. You saying about you're threatening to hostage Teacher May. And me and Kathleen Canete and Jordan Pilapil, oh, including my former friend JP Arceo and my former friend Ronald Rubena, we are also witness that you're threatening to hostage Teacher May, and you say about akong ISIS ng bayan, o you say that words and you say i-hostage ko si Teacher May. What's the problem? What's the real cause of problem of Teacher May? Ah, what's the real problem about Teacher May if she's anti-Marcos, if she's a pro-Duterte, oh, if she's a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, if she's a pro-Sara Duterte? Ano bang problema ninyo? Like I said, ano bang problema mo kay Teacher May? I say to Paulo Cruzada, ano bang problema mo kay Teacher May? Ha? You know, what's the real problem about Teacher May? What's the real problem about that her retirement? She's no longer in teaching since CDIFI. Oh, what's the real problem? Paulo Cruzada, you always hurting to everyone. First of all, you attempt to rape Mina Suchoy and Wawel Romero. Second, you attempt to rape Jordan Pilapil and also Drita Ziri. And what the heck is wrong with you? Paulo Cruzada, ano ba nasa utak mo? Ano ba sa utak ng taing puwet mo? Like I said, Paulo Cruzada, what is your real problem? Your brain is always in the shit in your butt, and what's the real problem? You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, just leave Teacher May Tiburcio alone. Ha? Just leave Teacher May alone. Because Teacher May is already retired. Oh, when I talk to Lawrence Villawan, I don't want to harass Teacher May. Oh, I learned how to public apology to Teacher May for what I did to her. And I apologize to Teacher May. I will never harass JD Biniegas. And even I will never harass her reputation too. And I don't want to make fake account of Teacher May in Facebook. I don't want to be really happen at this time in the incident is. So, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop. Whenever you need to stop, you need to stop. Tigilan mo na si Teacher May. It's really a cyberbullying. It's really offended to Teacher May. Oh, what if Teacher May had reported you to the police? Oh, if she reported you to NBI. Oh, but right now, Teacher May is going to report you to the police. You want to be like that, Paulo Cruzada? Huh? I know you're a special child, what you did to Teacher May. But right now, Joseph Maspinas had told to his uncle. His uncle told to Teacher May. Oh, his uncle was that her uncle of Joseph Maspinas had told to Teacher May. And he said that, isampa mo ng kaso laban kay Paulo Cruzada. Oh, when Teacher May went there in Cubao, in the Ferrer Law Office, that was a friend of Mr. Dennis Gill, is Joel Ferrer, and that was a friend of Aton Comentador's father, known na RGG Comentador. Oh, that was Aton's dad. And Teacher May had talked to Joel Ferrer to file the cases against Paulo Cruzada. Oh, it will be a complaint against Paulo Cruzada. It will bring it to barangay in Quezon City. Oh, it will be a summon. It will be a hearing on Saturday. Oh, there will be no lawyers. There will be a hearing. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I just want to demand you, even your family members, Mr. Kulas Cruzada and Mrs. Marion Cruzada, demand your son to be a public apology to Teacher May. Teacher May is not actually my arch enemy. Oh, she is my former teacher. Why did you harass Teacher May? Why did you attempt to rape Teacher May? Why did you attempt to hostage Teacher May? That she doesn't do anything to Paulo Cruzada. She has nothing to do to Paulo Cruzada. Like I said, wala pong kinalaman si Teacher May kay Paulo Cruzada, like whatsoever. You know, she doesn't do anything to Paulo Cruzada. You know, folks, that Paulo Cruzada needs to learn that lesson. This imbecile Paulo Cruzada, that son of a bitch Paulo Cruzada needs to learn. You know, for me, Paulo Cruzada ka, I know we're close friends in CDIFI. Magkilala tayo, like I said, we are good friends each other. You know, for you, Paulo Cruzada, manahimik ka na lang. Do not harass Teacher May. Because I know Teacher May had seen this screenshot. You threatened to hostage her. And then, what I realized, she talks to her nephew, Rafael. Rafael says, "Who's Paulo Cruzada?" Oh, Rafael Tiburcio asks to Teacher May. And Teacher May responds, It's Paulo Cruzada, my former student in CDIFI. Oh, and that was you. Your Teacher Connie, did not reprimand you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, when Teacher Connie says, "Paulo Cruzada, don't do that again, that's not really nice." Oh, you do it again, Paulo Cruzada. You're making lots of things that you're causing lots of trouble. You are threatening to hostage Teacher May. You don't know what her address is. Hindi mo alam ang address ni Teacher May. You don't know what's her place that she lives. You don't know where does she lives in Cainta, Rizal. You don't know what's her exact address is. Paulo Cruzada, you're the one who bully Luis Cabales. You're the one who bully Louis Texon. That is your fault.